Hello and welcome to E! Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency delivered on a Saturday night. The event took patrons on a trip down memory lane with classics from the 70s, 80s and 90s. Thousands of viewers were locked into the virtual event, which saw a musical showcase from the Captain Colin Hines, DJ Denvo, DJ Deli and Donovan Dacus, the veteran.
Gypsy,
Fame Frequency.
the way that you want me. Now, to wear my ring was something special. Now you close the door.
Its host Jenny commended the DJs for their well-received sets.
Me say the boy, them mash it up, them burn it down. The problem I have with this is that them have to go remake the studio. Because Deli no left nothing, Donovan Dacus no left nothing, Denvo and Mr. Captain Colin Hines, them burn it down. All fire brigade come because them here say fire over here. It was the fire of music, fire of energy, fire of colleagues, fire of skill. When you're born with talent, that's how you do it. Fame Frequency.
Fame Frequency continues to bring the heat this weekend with a special clubbing edition live on our Frequency airwaves. Patrons are advised to dress in their glitz and glam and join our VIP Zoom area. Now, over the weekend, the king of dancehall Beenie Man performed at American former professional basketball player Dwayne Wade's 39th birthday celebration. Beenie Man shared the video on his Instagram account performing his 1997 classic, "Oh My." He captioned the post, "Birthday blessings to my brother, more life and more blessings. Tonight was one for the books."
Happy birthday, my brother, and sing Sim Simmer. Who got the keys to my bimmer? Oh my, the girls them sugar, so can I make love to her? I'm in a rock.
Dwayne Wade commented on the video thanking Beanie for his special performance, adding that he was speechless. Wade kicked off his birthday celebration last week in Miami with 305 rap legend Rick Ross at celebrity chef Marcus Samuelson's newest Miami hotspot, Red Rooter Overtown. His wife Gabrielle Union also raised the bar for his birthday gift by giving the former Miami Heat player a 1988 Mercedes-Benz convertible. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.